In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Mailchimp footer in just 5 minutes. Editing the default footer in Mailchimp can sometimes be a bit tricky since Mailchimp requires certain information to be included to comply with anti-spam laws. This usually means keeping sections like your contact information or an unsubscribe link. Nonetheless, with a bit of tweaking, you can customize it to better match your branding or even minimize its presence. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, find the sidebar menu and click on the Campaigns tab. This is where you'll find all your existing campaigns, and it also offers the starting point for creating new ones. Now, whether you're working on an existing campaign or starting fresh with a new one, you'll need to create or edit an email. Select the specific campaign you want to adjust. If you don't have any ongoing campaigns, no worries, you can simply begin setting up a new one. After selecting your campaign, you'll gain access to the email editor, which is where all the magic happens. Next, scroll down to the bottom of your email. This is where you'll find the footer block. It usually contains default sections like your company's contact information and the unsubscribe link. Click on the footer section. It might have a label like edit contact info or unsubscribe, which is completely normal. Give it a click and this will open the editing options for that specific section. Once you're in the footer editing mode, this is your opportunity to get creative. You can modify the design elements to reflect your brand style better. Consider adjusting the font to something that matches your other branding materials, or changing the colors so that they fit seamlessly with your brand's palette. Remember, these small adjustments can make a world of difference in presenting a cohesive, professional look. After you've made your desired changes to the footer, it's crucial to take a moment to save your work. But don't stop there, always use the preview function to ensure everything looks as expected before sending out the campaign. A quick preview lets you see how your email will appear to recipients, ensuring there are no surprises when it lands in their inboxes. And there you have it, a few simple steps to personalize your Mailchimp footer, making it both compliant and brand aligned. Thanks for watching this quick Mailchimp tutorial. If you have any more questions or want to learn more about the platform, be sure to check out our other videos. Happy emailing!